Okay, today I'm reviewing the Record Power DML305 lathe. I've had this lathe for quite a while. It's a very good lathe. The new version has a 33mm by 3.5 and a number 2 Morse taper instead of this older version which has a 3/4 and a number 1 Morse taper. That's the only difference in the two, besides maybe a different colour on the body part here. Cast iron, very solid, very easy to use, on-off switch. At the end here there's a bolt which you just undo to release the cover. Here you have 6 pulleys which range from 350 rpm up to 3250 rpm. So very easy. Release the motor. That lifts the motor up to take the tension off the belt, move the belt over to appropriate pulley. Same at the top and the bottom, make sure they're in line. Drop the motor back down, retension it, close the cover and lock it up again. It's as easy as that. It takes me a few seconds to change the speed over, and a lot of times you don't need to change it that much. It will take 305mm diameter, just under 12 inches, and 393 between the headstock and the tailstock, which is approximately 15 inches. So very good lathe for a starter. Very little to go on with it, and cast iron, so nice and solid. I've just got it to bolted down at the 4 corners to my bench, and that's adequate. So very quiet in operation. The only maintenance I've done is put a new belt on after about 10 years, but that's all. So if you're looking for a starter lathe, would I recommend this one? Yes. It's served me well and it's still going well. So thank you for watching this review. If you like what you see, please click the subscribe button and the like button as well. And if you click the bell, that will notify you of my new uploads, which will be on equipment again and tools, and also wood turning projects and hints and tips. So thank you for watching.